Look at this guy. He was born to climb trees. He's the real Tarzan.
Say that.
Good morning, guys. What is the plan for today?
Climb the Santol. Taktak Falls.
Yes.
Swimming.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, it's nice there.
We're excited because we haven't been there before.
Yes.
So you guys have been there a couple of times.
Yeah.
So it's your first time?
Yeah, me too. I'm first time.
Yeah. Get out of here.
I'm first time. Oh,
Yes. Good morning. Chips.
It's not an outing, a Filipino outing without the chips, the food.
Exactly. Hello. Good morning. Good morning and welcome to another vlog. We are living here in Northern Siargao and we've been waiting quite a while to do this activity we're going to do today. We're going to trek to Taktak Falls. From my understanding, this is the only official waterfall here on Siargao Island. There's supposedly another one, a secret hidden one, which we will do our best to find in a later vlog. So we're going to drive up to Taktak Fall. It'll be about 5 minutes from Tangbo, where we are living. If you're coming from General Luna, it's about 1 hour to 1.5 hour drive, depending on your familiarization with the island. But I think it's a very cool place to go, and hopefully there's water today in the falls. We're in the rainy season. It has been raining currently going into August. I think it's July 30th today. But yeah, jumping girls. And the others are actually going there to find some fruit. I'm not sure what type of fruit this is.
Santol.
Santol.
Yeah.
I'm learning every day. All right. Look at this, so beautiful.
Hi, it's closed.
So guys, it looks like the falls is temporarily closed, but the locals are talking to the locals. Might be able to get in. Okay, so it's 25 pesos entry fee.
Yeah, no problem. Check.
No, you're locally from Siargao. You're in for free.
Ah, perfect. That's what I wanted to know. So they're gonna get the Santol fruit. I have really no idea what that is. I'm excited to learn. If you're new to my video blogs, we're currently living up in Northern Siargao, giving a much more local feel to it than what we would living down in GL. Awesome, getting a little family here. This is the Santol tree. So what's happening?
So Ali's gonna pick up some santol.
Wow. Alejandro's gonna climb up there?
And then I can do this.
Yeah.
I'll touch it with my lip dress.
Oh.
How does this happen? You just climb the tree, Ale? You? I gotta get this. Oh. I don't want to. Oh, here we go. Alejandro's gonna... Look at this guy. He was born to climb trees. You're like the real... He's the real Tarzan.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Oh my
What
God.
the hell? Well, you be careful now. That's already like 15 meters up. He's fast. That is amazing. Oh, he's so tall already. He's all the way up there. So high up. You guys see him? Now he's like 20 meters up. Are the best fruit at the top? Is that why you're so high? This guy is amazing. Here he comes. Careful! Oh! Ave, don't do that. It's heavy. It might hit your stomach.
Hindi, Martin, this is what it looks like.
Now let's see the inside of this fruit.
Tabo ka na.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so you sip it, you suck it.
Mm-hmm. Is there a seed? Yum. Real teamwork, I would say. Wow.
So sorry, I don't want. I'm scared.
Woo!
Oh, it's heavy.
One more, Martin.
Oh! It's heavy! Coming from like 10 meters, 20 meters. Alright, we're gonna be catching these for a while and then we'll be back to you shortly. The boys are still catching these guys. Okay, end result. Wow, full bag of
Santol.
amazing. What can you use this fruit for?
Bro, I have no idea.
I have no idea either. What do you use the fruit for? Soup? No. Snacks.
There you go.
And this is what it looks like inside. There's a seed. Take out a seed like this. Has a lot of flesh on that. It's really sour. It's like sweet and sour candy. Oh,
Can you eat the inside?
apparently you can. You can eat the skin. It's quite good actually. Tarzan is back. Can't believe that. Oh, what an ending! Look at these boys. Starting at 10 years old. Climb the tree. My goodness. Do you climb as well? Shy. Alright, the locals definitely provided us with some action at the beginning of this vlog, beginning of this day. It's noon and Taktak Falls has opened up.
Drive the car.
Okay, I'll drive the car up. We're gonna drive the car inside. Okay. There is water in the falls. I'm excited for that. It's not that deep today though.
Under maintenance right now, they're cleaning the place.
Yeah, I'm so stoked we finally got to go here.
Oh yeah, it's your first time.
It's my first time here at Taktak Falls. I think this turns into a giant pool when there's more water, from what I can see. I'm gonna jump in with the boys.
The pool, the water pool.
Para hindi kami makabayad.
Okay, we are done swimming in Taktak Falls. This is a very easy waterfall to get to. You can even drive your motorcycle or car all the way up to the falls. And on a good day you can swim, get cleansed. It's really, really nice, worth visit. You can rent a cottage. It's only 25 pesos to enter. That's for adults, 24 minors. I'm really impressed by the infrastructure put into work here to make this happen. Very, very nice. Right, we are gonna head back to Kaha, to Tongbo and Alegria. 5-minute drive, but I feel fresh. It's always nice with a fresh water dip. Okay, we're gonna drive to Santa Monica and the girls are gonna get some vegetables because we're gonna cook back home.
Basket.
Yes! Whoa! Quality! Alright, and I'm gonna ask this guy for a speaker because I want some music. Let's see her reaction. I got a speaker!
Ano naman yung binili mo, babe?
What is she saying?
He said, what's your buying na naman?
Yeah, what's my money spending? But this matches the seat, that's what I got it.
Hindi na nga. Okay, okay.
Back home, family. Now it's lunch time. You guys are playing Jengas. Whoa, whoa. I am super stoked on my new speaker. This thing was 500 pesos at the local store. I'm pretty excited about it. So now we have a portable speaker to bring to the beach. We can bring it inside and for the car.
Hell yeah.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Reaction to the car. Yummy. It's nice cookie.
Babe.
I like sugar.
I like sugar. Pait ba?
A bit
I'm gonna learn from Alejandro here. Okay.
sugar.
I want to know how much sugar he put. Oh, that was it.
Enough.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah.
I'll try some sugar too then today. Coffee break.
Yes, nice.
Whoa, food is done. What a great ending to
Rice, more power, huh? No rice, no power. Okay?
Yes, I'm learning. I'm learning. I don't
No sorting, no shower.
make perfect sense. Thank you, bro. Here, princess.
Thank you. Eating with my hands.
Wow.
Very good.
My turn. So chicken, rice. There's something else too. What's this? Like a coleslaw carrot mix. As we were eating, we were debating how much we have spent on feeding 7 people for lunch, and
All in all, the chicken, because it's a huge chicken, it's 300 pesos. For the rice, it's 45 to 50 per kilo. And then all of the veggies that we bought earlier is for 109 pesos. Total less than 500 pesos.
so that's about 10 US dollars.
Yeah, and the soda 45. So 10 US dollars.
Exactly 500 pesos. Nice. And there's even more.
Finish na, finish. Finish na, no more vegetarian.
Good job. All right, we're gonna head down to the beach. The boys are gonna go surf, but we are only 3 minutes away from the beach.
She got me going, yeah, she turns me on. She loves me, yeah, she loves me, and it blows my mind. Yeah, it blows my mind.
Bike around.
Okay.
I just swam. Are you gonna swim also?
Yeah, I kind of want to take a swim. Had to run after you.
Oh my god.
Look at this. This is Tangbo Beach. What a way to end this day. Dip in the ocean. There's no one but us enjoying this beach right now. Beautiful place. Kind of getting some color now. Starting to get some color. We've been very fortunate with the weather the last 3 days. We've been out every day almost fixing things. We got some really big news coming for you guys. And for those of you who are our Patreon fans, you guys know what's going on. We are sharing behind the scenes over there and giving people an exclusive access and insight to our business aspects and other sides of our lives than just this YouTube vlog. However, I do want to give a huge shout out to all my watchers recently. We are killing it with the 50K views. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers.
We're gonna help the guy carry his bangka, so everyone's waiting.
Alright, all the locals get together. Carry the boat up. Woo! You gonna swim, Ryan?
Welcome to my another vlog.
Yes, what's your YouTube? Holly? Jolly Bee?
Ollie B.
Yes. Ava has dressed up. I've tried to dress up. We're gonna go to the Rosa del Mar beach resort where there's good Wi-Fi. We're gonna start editing this vlog.
Yeah.
I think I just want to end this video blog right here.
Okay, let's end the vlog.
Let's end the vlog. Guys, thank you so much for watching yet another Marva video blog from Philippines. We hope you enjoy the video and that you kind of are starting to get to know our local family up here in the north. If you still haven't seen my birthday surprise video blog that Ava made, head over to her channel right now and give that a like. Spent a lot of effort on that, so we really hope you like it. Okay, anything you want to end the vlog with saying?
I love you.
Oh, nice. I love you too. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!
I'm loving it.
Subscribe to me. Help me reach 100K. Goodbye.